This is bad, Cheech. We get busted in something like this, we get kicked out of witness protection.
And we move back to New York.
Where the mob is waiting to kill us.
There's just no winning with you.
Okay, what you gotta do now is get in touch with the top guy in the province and use this guy as your bargaining chip.
This is the top guy.
What?
He is the premier of Saskatchewan.
What's a premier?
It is like a governor. It means first.
First what?
Why are you asking so many questions? We got a guy in a bag here.
Yeah, I probably should have told you not to grab the boss.
All right, you bastards. The Right Honourable Mickey O'Shea never forgets a face. You're all going down for this.
I also should have mentioned not to let the hostage see our faces.
Now we gotta kill him.
Go ahead and try, old man. I'll twist off your nipples and flick him in the gutter.
All right, Primo, relax. We don't want to kill you. We just want you to give these guys their land back.
They get nothing. Mickey O'Shea never loses. I took on the wheat board and won. Twice!
Okay, tying the guy up right, you should have figured out on your own.